Word up, dweebs. It's been a minute. It's been a hot minute. I was in Texas for a bit, and then we got home, and it was busy. And then I got a COVID booster yesterday, and it hurt, and I'm a baby. Anyway, we're back in biz. Typewriter series number 480 today. And here's your wee paper, as always. It is really wee. This is a short one. But this one, like the other short ones, tends to sell a lot of prints. So if you haven't ordered a print yet, go to the shop. The link is everywhere. It's chasersoflight.com/shop. Here's your poem. What if every day is the perfect day to finally be exactly who you were always meant to be? We wait and we wait and we wait for these signs to be what we want to be. They're already here. This is the sign. Be that thing. I'll support you. I love you.